This is the Woodford 50012 Splined Key. Now this key will work on many different Woodford models. Go ahead and get it out here. It is a full metal key. As you can see in there, it does have those splines, which is kind of hard to see through the camera. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements, starting with a total length. See, it measures right at about 3 1/4 inches. And we can also get a length of just like that T handle itself there. See, it measures right at 2 inches. And then we can also get an outer and inner diameter here at those splines. An outer diameter of just over 1/2 inch. And then an inner diameter at the splines measuring just over 1/4 inch. Yeah, so once again, this is the Woodford 50012 Splined Key.